Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm gonna show you how it's a code and in Seoul. I'm just saying Seoul because, but I think it's like it's how you're saying it. But I don't know, guys. I don't know. But you guys if you have this app, then you can just get. I'm gonna show you. It's a promo code that gives you 14 keys. It's not a joke. I'm not joking you, okay? It's not a joke. It's not a scam. It's not a scam. It's not a scam video. It's not like you're getting minus 14. So you can. So can it start? Okay. Oh my God! It's so loud. Oh my God! Oh my God! So loud. As you can see, oh no, what's happening? No, I don't want this app. Boring. I want to get key. As you see, I'm wearing a little bit now, right now. But I don't know if I have to activate that code right. You need to go to settings. I think you guys know that. You need to go to settings, go to promo codes, and this is the code. It is to celebrate. Surfers Seoul celebrated 7 years. You guys know that about that. They celebrated 7 years because the game has been in 7 years now. So they had a birthday, so yeah. So they actually made a code of this. Here's the code. Okay, the code is 7. You can type a big I, big U or little. Oh, okay. No, it's not 7 yo. Yeah, years. So this is the code, I think. And when you type in this gonna happen. See? You get 14. Do you see it? It's not a good joke. I got 28 now. So if you, I think this will work for you guys too. It's not a joke. You're actually gonna get 14 keys. So that's like as a start. As a start, like a starter pack. Wait, no, it's not that little starter pack, but it's like yeah, like key starting with keys, like the backup with keys. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know what you're gonna. You can just like the video. I don't know if you want to subscribe, but I have another channel, but I'm not saying it. Maybe I'll say it if I get 10 likes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this works though for you. Actually, bye. I'll see you later, guys. Bye bye.